Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a beef chow mein. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using some garlic, onion, green onions or scallions, carrots. I'm also going to be using some ginger. Here I have some black pepper, salt, sesame oil, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, soy sauce. Here I have my bok choy, my beef. I hope I pronounce it right. And here I have some chow mein. Now this is the Champion brand. It's from Guyana. So let's get right into the recipe. I'm also going to be using cornstarch and egg whites. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my egg whites. Now be sure to pat your steak dry, your beef. So I'm going in with my egg whites, followed by my cornstarch. Make sure the egg whites get all into there first. Next, I'm going to go in with my cornstarch. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, set to the side. Okay, I just went in with my noodles, and the pack says 10 minutes, stirring constantly. Okay, so it has been 8 minutes. I'm seeing that it has to cook again. I'm gonna strain it and set it to a side and start on my beef. So now I'm adding my beef to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm just separating them. So I'm going to go in with my onion and ginger. Followed by my garlic. Followed by my carrots. Okay, and I'm going to start going in with my sauce. So I'm going in, first I'm going in with my soy sauce. Followed by my oyster sauce. My hoisin sauce. And we mix this all together. Okay, this is coming along good. Next, I'm going in with my bok choy. I like to put it in now so it can at least get all that beautiful brown color. And now I'm gonna start going right back in with my noodles. Okay. And lastly, guys, I'm gonna garnish with some scallion. And that's it, guys. My chow mein is ready in less than 30 minutes. This is another quick dinner idea, weeknight dinner. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.